Come on in, get comfy. I am in the process of packing. I feel like there's so many vlogs out there about like how to pack for your cruise contract. I'm gonna make a video about how not to pack, because if there's one thing I'm an expert at, it's not packing correctly. So if you just got a cruise contract, congratulations, it's gonna change your life for better or for worse. I am here to highlight all of my mistakes. So I'm gonna show you some things that I have brought with me before that I absolutely did not need. I don't think y'all are ready for this. Okay, I really want to feel grounded, so like untethered soul. I just feel like I'm gonna want Amanda Gorman's election day speech. Should definitely bring the classic yoga Bible. But the quartz is for self-love. Amethyst is for healing. Definitely need a journal. I want to bring last year's journal too, just in case I need to reflect. I should be packing, but I'm not. I should probably also bring every nice letter that anyone has ever written me. God forbid the ship starts sinking. That's what I'm gonna want to read right before I die. Avocado is coming with me, no question. There's also avocado toast, kind of a no-brainer. I'll probably see if there's like anyone from high school that I haven't seen. Okay, Kelsey, you can bring 2 sweatshirts. I'm gonna be in the Caribbean. You should probably bring 6. And talk about the comforts of home. This is definitely coming with me. Back to reality. Hey, it's me. That was ridiculous. Most of that stuff, not stuff that you want to bog your suitcase down with. At the end of the day, unless you were driving this ship, your room is not going to be that big. You might even be sharing a room. When you have stuff oozing out of your drawers, it's really hard to organize, it's really hard to clean, and nobody wants that. We want to come back to our rooms and we want to have a safe, calming space. So I'm going to show you my process. I've been doing this for a long time and I feel like I have learned what works and what doesn't work. Okay, my first tip is the packing cubes. I got these at Bed Bath & Beyond, them in like 4 different sizes. Helpful to put like your underwear, your socks in, bathing suits, whatever, separate them all out. So then when you get to your tiny, tiny cabin on the cruise ship, you whip it out. This is my underwear, this is my socks. Now that the pandemic, Lovato, whatever you want to call it, is over, hopefully getting back into the groove of like normal ship life, don't bring your toiletries with you. It's just gonna take up so much weight in your bag. Can most of the time now have stuff ordered to the ship. Thank you, Amazon. Or you can hopefully go out and port and just get it yourself in that first port. Just take emergency travel size toiletries with you at first. Okay, this next thing is not super essential, but I think it makes your life much more enjoyable. That looked really weird. That could have been anything. Essential oil diffuser. It's really lightweight. This will make your cabin smell amazing. Another thing is comfortable closed-toed shoes that you can wear down the I-95. Oh, and the I-95, or sometimes they call it the A1A, is the hallway that runs from the front of the ship to the back of the ship in the crew area. If you need to run out of your room really fast, it makes it so much easier to have shoes that you don't have to lace up. I'm a huge Crocs girl. Yes, I bought Lisa Frank Crocs for my 30th birthday. You will get in trouble if you aren't wearing closed-toed shoes. One other thing I will add is put your paperwork in your carry-on bag. I keep all my important documents in this Lisa Frank folder. Your medical, your passport, your contract, your signed LOE certificate. They're gonna ask for that the second that you get on the ship. Okay, let's see how my packing is going this go around. I lay it all out on this bed so that I can see everything that I have prepared to put in my suitcase. I organize it by athletic clothes, clothes that I will wear out in port, and then clothes that I might want to wear out on the ship. Then I go through and I'm like, you know what? I don't need this long sleeve Gymshark t-shirt in the Caribbean. Discard pile. Now the fun part is figuring out how all of that crap is gonna fit in your suitcase. I'm a big fan of the rolling technique. You take your item of clothing, fold it in half, and then roll it up like a little sausage. Wishing and hoping and praying that all my clothes fit in one suitcase. On Celebrity, they let us shove all of our suitcases in the costume closet, but that is not the case on Virgin Voyages, so I need to bring luggage that is easy to stow away under my bed. Oh my god, you guys. I'm shook. I can't believe this is happening to me. All of my clothes fit into one half of the suitcase. It was really hard. I've learned that it's always less stressful when you're a minimalist and you only take what you need. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. Wow. Woo! Last thing. This video is already really long and I know people have the attention span of squirrels. This is a baggage scale. Do yourself a favor and weigh your luggage before you get to the airport because most cruise lines do not reimburse for overweight bags. It has happened to me so many times. I'm stuck there at the desk, begging, pleading, crying for them to waive the fee. Understand I had to pack my whole life away for 6 months. Do you know how many sweatshirts got left behind? To avoid that, weigh your luggage. Where did I put the scale? 40 pounds. 40 pounds. If you made it this far, thanks for watching, everyone. The next time I'll post will be either from rehearsals or from the ship.